Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we're adding fractions, and we're adding fractions that make improper fractions. Sounds scary, pretty straightforward. Let's get into it. Alright, what's the numerator? The numerator is the top number in a fraction. It tells us how many pieces we have. The denominator is the bottom number in a fraction, and it tells us how many equal parts the whole is broken up into. Let's get into it. Brooke has 2/4 of a bag of lollies. Jesse James has 3/4 of a bag of lollies, or 3/4 of a bag of lollies. If they add their lollies together, how much will they have in total? This is a tricky one. Let's get into it. So, what are the steps we need to do? First of all, step 1, identify the fractions that you need to add together. After you've done that, step 2, make the denominators the same, or the bottom numbers the same. Step 3, add the numerators together, the top numbers. Now, keep the denominators the same. So you don't need to alter or change the denominators at all. You don't need to add them together. You don't need to do anything like that. Once you've established a common denominator, keep that. Step 4, write the answer to step 3 over the denominator. Let's have a look at what that looks like. All right, Brooke had 2/4 of a bag of lollies, I believe, and Jesse James had 3/4. The bottom numbers, or the denominators, are the same. They're equivalent. They're both 4. Okay, so we don't need to do anything there. Both denominators are the same, or equivalent. Add the numerators together, or the top numbers. So Brooke had 2/4, Jesse James had 3/4. We add 2 plus 3 together, and that gives us 5. We then write 5 over the denominator that those fractions share, which is 4. So our answer is 5 over 4. If they add their lollies together, they will have 5/4 of a bag of lollies. What does that mean? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. When that happens, it's called an improper fraction, and it means we have more than one whole. So in this example, we have more than one whole bag of lollies. In fact, we have one whole bag and 1/4. So let's check out that visually. Here, 2/4. Our whole has been broken up into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2/4, the coloured in parts, are lollies, right? 2 over 4. Plus 3 over 4. Our whole is broken up into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 3/4 left. 1, 2, 3. So 2/4 plus 3/4 equals 1 whole. So that's 4 over 4 plus another 1/4. So 2/4 plus 3/4 equals 5/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can be written as 1 whole and 1/4. Remember, guys, improper fractions are fractions when the numerator, or the top number, are larger than the denominator, or the bottom number, and that tells us our answer is greater than 1 whole. See ya.